Okay, part 2. Here we go. We're looking at simple McCain buttons in Midlothian. They're so simple. They don't beep or anything, but he likes them.
Or talk.
They don't talk or anything. All right, we'll go on this side next. Okay, we're crossing the street.
They're probably simple.
They're so simple. No turn on red.
Hey, this was just simple.
McCain buttons in Midlothian. Over here on 145th Street.
Walking person to pier.
Yep. We'll go check those out too.